Hi sweet friends, I'm here with a fun unboxing video for you. The spring release from Lawn Fawn is finally here. I am so super excited. The products are absolutely adorable and I really had trouble choosing this time. At the end of this video, my little helper will show you what he likes the most from this new release. So, stay tuned! Oh my goodness, how amazing is this? Thank you so much, Yuki, for this awesome package. The freebies are fantastic. Now, what's your favorite item in this new release? Let me know in the comments below. So here Lex, my bonus son, is very busy checking out all the fun new stuff. He chose his favorite stamp set from the new release. And apparently, he likes the elephant set the most. Or he calls it
Elven plate.
His second choice was the extraordinary Easter with the cute bunnies. But really, I think he enjoyed that delicious little waffle the most. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon in another video. Bye!